Hello friends, you're welcome to netacad 365. This is lab 2 of our ComPTIA N+ practice lab series. And in this video, I'll be teaching you how to enable and use SSH to access a Cisco router. SSH is more secure than Telnet. And to enable SSH on the router, you need to set a host name, a domain name, a user account, and a crypto key. Now, this is the topology which we'll build in Cisco packettracer. So for task 1, we need to bring up a router and a PC in packettracer and connect them. I have connected my PC to the fast Ethernet 0/0 port on the router. In task 1, we are also asked to configure the router with a host name of R0. So set the host name to R0. Task 2, configure IP address on the router and PC. So for the router, configure the fast Ethernet 0/0 interface. And now to the PC, we'll configure it with 192.168.0.2. The next task is to make sure that you can ping across the link. So ping from the PC to the router on your command prompt. Yes, we have connectivity. To complete SSH configuration on the router, we have to set the domain name. So I set mine to netacad365.net. We're going to create a user account. I'm going to call mine netacad365 and the password of class. And now we're going to create the crypto key. So I'm going to set the crypto key to 1024 bits. And this is what it uses for encryption. SSH has been enabled. Next, we have to go to the router VTY lines and permit incoming SSH connections with the command transport input SSH. So let's do that. Line VTY 015 transport input SSH. So this tells the router to only accept incoming SSH connections, and we're going to tell the router to authenticate with the user account which you created on the router. Now this has enabled SSH on the router. Now for task 4, connect to router 0 from PC 0's command prompt using SSH. So use the letter L below after SSH and not the number 1. So go to your PC, command prompt, and SSH-L, the username which you created, netacad365, and the IP address of the router. And put in the password of class. And we have SSH access to the router. To exit this session, just type in exit and enter. So this is how to enable and use SSH to access a router. If you find the video helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to our channel. And also, if you want the configuration document, indicate in the comment section and I would respond and send it across to you. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.